Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my online English class today. I am Ayesa Khatun, Assistant Teacher in English, Horimon Government High School, Chapainababganj. Dear students, I hope all of you are quite well by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today I am going to start the next question item, that is question number 6. This is a cloze test with clues. The clues are given in the box. You have to use only the appropriate word from the box. There are more words than necessary. You must use one word for each gap. In order to answer such type of question, you need to know well about the structures of the sentence, about the rules of word order, about the form of the sentence, whether it is active or passive, about the parts of speech, and so on. Actually, without the good idea of all these rules, it is not possible to complete this text. Okay? Dear learners, this type of question is said to justify students' comprehension of vocabulary and knowledge of grammatical items. This is really a grammatical test item. So, you should be attentive to the rules of grammar. In this test, there are 10 gaps for 5 marks, right? Dear students, here is a passage. We have also a box where some words are given. At first, we should read the passage and see the words in the box. When we solve such type of text, we should be very careful in choosing the right word. That must be suitable according to the context and other grammatical considerations also. Okay? Let's solve the question. Look at the first gap. It is a part of, here we have a gap. Notice the structure of this sentence. It, this is subject, and is linking verb, and you know, after linking verb a complement is necessary. Again, here is another important grammatical point. See the word of. It is a preposition, and you know, after preposition you have to put a noun to complete the word order. Now your duty is to find out a noun from the box. You may have several nouns in the box. You need one to complete the sentence. As the passage is about traveling, there is a close relation between traveling and education, right? So, you can understand the appropriate word is education. So, the right answer for this gap is education. This is the right answer. If you use the word education in the box, in the gap, grammatically the sentence is correct and the meaning of the sentence is also correct. Then the sentence gives a complete sense. It is a part of education. In this way, you have to select the word from the box to complete the text. See the next gap, B. This gap is given after a modal auxiliary verb. You can see the modal auxiliary verb can. I think you know well that after a modal auxiliary verb, the base form of a main verb must be put. You can see the base form of two verbs in the box. They are travel and learn. Now, if you put the verb travel in this gap, the sentence will be right grammatically, but it bears no meaning in this context. So, you should bear in mind that the sentence must be a meaningful one. Okay? Then use the verb learn and notice the meaning of the sentence. Now this sentence is right according to the rules of grammar and also gives an excellent meaning. Now you have got the suitable answer, that is learn. The right answer, learn. Now look at the next gap, that is C. Notice the structure of this sentence again. It's a compound sentence. This gap is after transitive verb. Dear students, you know transitive verb takes an object after it, and that object may be a noun or pronoun, right? Here you find the word beauties. As an object, we have here this word, and it's a noun, and it is noticeable that the sense of the sentence is complete though the gap is here. In this case, you should remember the rules of word order. Before a noun, an adjective is put to modify that very noun. Here, an adjective is required to modify the word beauties. In the box, you can see again two adjectives. They are long and natural. To complete the meaning of the sentence, the word long is meaningless. If you put the word natural, the sentence will be both grammatically correct and meaningful. So the right word here is natural. This is right answer. Let's solve the gap D. We have a conjunction and connects the word of the same class. If home is noun, a noun is necessary after and. It is clear? From this passage, it is clear to you that a traveler can gain knowledge of his own country and other countries also. Home means the own country and abroad means the other countries. So the suitable word here is abroad. I hope you have understood. Let's see the gap E. By analyzing the structure of this sentence, you may easily find out that expected word. The structure is subject, linking verb, and a noun complement. Complement always gives the information about subject. As Ibn Battuta traveled many countries, he was a great traveler. So you have got the perfect noun complement to complete the meaning of this sentence. The right answer is traveler. Look at the next sentence. There is a gap after the word many. To clear the sense of this sentence, a word about place is needed. See the previous sentence. Ibn Battuta was a great traveler. From this, you can easily understand that as he was a great traveler, he traveled many countries. In the box, you have the word countries. Put this word in this gap. Then the meaning of is clear. So the appropriate word is countries. In the same sentence, we have also another gap. Here, you need to choose a main verb because the gap is given after subject. This is also a compound sentence. The first verb travel is used in the past form. So, this clause will be in the past form also. This clause will be in the past form also, right? In this case, it is very easy for you to select the word from the box. In the box, you find a verb learned. That is in the past form. Now you have got the right answer. Now the meaning of this sentence is complete. The right answer here is learned. I think you have understood. Dear learners, now see the gap H. Here, this gap is given after a modal auxiliary should. Then a main verb is necessary. Notice the meaning of this sentence. And in the box, you have a verb travel. If you use this verb, the meaning is clear. So the correct word here is travel. Travel. This is the right answer. The next gap is I. We have to clear. See the structure of this sentence. Here you will have two important clues. They are infinitive, that is to widen, and the word order, that is the plus noun plus of. I think you know that sometimes infinitive may also take an object, and that object will be noun. And for this word order, we need a noun between the and of. Here we need a noun. In the box, you find a noun, that is domain. You can see the word domain. The meaning of the word of this word is area or range of something. So the students should travel their level best to widen the domain of their practical knowledge. Okay, then the correct answer is domain for this gap. Domain is the right answer to complete the sense. At last, we can see that it is also said how they can widen their domain of their practical knowledge. It is possible with the help of traveling. In the box, we have got a preposition, that is through. Generally, the preposition through is used to indicate the ways or means, right? Put the preposition in this gap. Now the sentence bears an excellent meaning. So the right answer is through. Now we have got the appropriate words for each gap. Dear learners, you should practice at least one passage daily so that you can control or you can learn well the grammatical rules which are required to complete the passage like this. Okay? Well, dear learners, in the answer sheet you have to write only the correct word. Don't write the whole passage in the answer sheet. Okay? No more today. Thank you everybody.